What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, man. Man, it's been a while. I know it has. Yeah, man, it's been a while. Sorry about that, y'all. I've been so. Hold on, let's the address. All right. Yeah, man, I just been so busy with work and everything. I think the last time y'all see me was when I was at the event. It's probably like, hold on, let me close this air event so it won't be too much wind for y'all. Is it closed? Yeah, I think so, yeah. All right. Yeah, so I think the last time I posted a video was at the meet. Yeah, it's just been hectic at work and everything. I was supposed to drop the Q&A video for y'all, but I didn't like the way it came out, so I just decided to trash it. Well, not trash it, it's in my drafts. So if you guys still want that video, drop it down in the comments. Oh, excuse me. But right now, we're just out cruising, riding. I was supposed to record yesterday. And everyone, Happy New Year's 2024. So, hope you guys have a blessed new year. You know? New year, new opportunities. So right now we're headed to this one bike shop that has a bike there. Two bikes there that I'm actually thinking about getting. Two different models, but same brand. So I want to know, you know, work with the numbers and stuff, see what they're, you know, trying to quote me for and all of that. Because, yeah, I'm ready for an upgrade. And the way my mind works is, if I don't do it now, it's like I'm just gonna keep pushing it back. Of, okay, yeah, I'm gonna go get it right now, or man, damn, never mind, you know. So I'm just like, you know what? And me, I'm always like I'm like full sin. It's either I'm gonna go for it, and if I don't go for it, I'm just not gonna go for it. And also the reason why I also haven't been recording or riding, because I also need a sprocket and chain. I needed to get it rechanged, so that's also another thing why I haven't you know, had the camera on, because of that. And it was very dangerous for me to ride. I didn't even want to ride to working back, so. But he got fixed. So the other dealership should pay me a little bit more for the bike. They already told me if I do that, I'll get an extra $500 towards total of this bike, which is good. So I mean, I don't have to put that much down on the next bike. But that's hopefully if that bike doesn't sell at that dealership though. Because it has very low miles, has a full system. I think it's been flashed. Ah, my shirt's coming up. Sometimes I hate where my exhaust is positioned at. It's like all the way at the bottom. I hate it. Am I recording? I think so. Also, y'all, I got a new camera too. I haven't used it yet. I still need a audio jack to go into it. I have the GoPro one, but it's like I have to get adhesive and like stick it on my helmet. And honestly, I'm not trying to do all that. So I'm just gonna order it from Amazon. One of my homies gave me a link to it, so I'll do a comparison video of those two cameras, So right now I'm rocking I'm using the what is it? The GoPro Hero 10. That's the one I currently use right now. With ND filter. I did put a different one on today because it is low light, so I don't need a darker one. Oh, traffic, dude. I don't know if y'all can hear Siri. But yeah, so I have a new camera. I just haven't used it yet. I messed with the settings and all, but I haven't actually went out and rode with it. Gotta be careful. I've been a little like my allergies, they've been a little bit bad. My girl's been sick, some of the homies been sick. So it's just like Texas is so weird. Like tomorrow is gonna rain. It's gonna rain tomorrow. Like it's been absolutely amazing the last couple of days, but it's just been cold and raining, and sometimes it'll warm up just a quite bit, and then it'll just drop right back down to the 40s now. So now we're getting into that type of season. But I think February is really the coldest season, really. I think I'm about to be here soon. I need to get all the way to the right. It's right here. Talking about turn right for. It's right here. So this is where we at. They have a lot of slingshots. And look at the bike. Oh my god, it's the one I want. So this is the one I want. Still recording? Yeah. Okay, good. So I have a lot of bikes. Last time I was here, they didn't have nothing. I didn't have nothing. I have a lot of bikes now. What is that over there? I don't know what that is. 660. Love the Aprilia. But, yeah. Oh, what? I expanded the store. Interesting. Did you guys expand your store?
Yeah, they knocked out the wall.
Yeah.
So it looks a lot different, right?
Yeah, I'm like, wait, what? 'Cause last time I was here, the wall was still up.
Makes it look a lot bigger.
Yeah.
Different.
I walked in, I was like,
You know, they were doing that. I came back one day on the weekend. I mean, on the weekday.
uh-huh.
And I was like,
What? Oh, they got the 12,990?
that's OG, man.
Yes. Here we are. This is literally the one I'm looking at. But I don't want the factory though. Like I don't really care for electronic suspension. I really don't. That's just me. Toronto, I don't like Toronto. I don't like naked bikes. So yeah, let me talk to the people and see. I didn't even know I was recording, damn it. Alright, well, we just left. Good news. I got approved for a bike. So y'all see. Listen. Y'all see what that bike is once I do the second delivery of the bike. Yeah, we got approved for a bike. Not the bike I wanted, but couldn't miss up on that deal, so But that's gonna be it for today's video, y'all. Trying to get back home. But if you haven't already, man, go ahead, drop a like, comment, and subscribe for me. Like the video, please. It'll really help the channel out if you guys like the video. And I'll catch you at the next one, man.